So, of course. You're right.
Stupid.
I agree. Bedoys. 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 Look, guys, the birds are acting strange. What's going on? What's the matter, little birds? Silly Bedoys, birds can't talk. Don't worry, we'll help you find her. But how do we know where she went? Humans are
Stupid.
so you can help us solve problems along the way. Can't argue with that. Come, fly with us. How do we do that? We don't have wings. Just flap your arms. See? It worked. I can't do it. You have to believe. I believe I can fly. Yeah.